Let me show you my other. Me not put it. What on the G? Let me see what I talk to. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as I know the title, I know the thumbnail, guys, I don't know, so it's a banger prank once again, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the card FaceTiming come on boyfriend prank, you know what I'm saying? Because the last prank I'm gonna do on her with her boyfriend and I like that. And then not only that, this girl have the audacity to make tears run out of my eye in a fear prank. If you not see that video there, guys, go over to our channel right now and watch it and then come back, because I'm gonna really hurt her look at heart. I'm gonna really damage her. But before we jump in the video, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on Instagram at Shawna with 2S. Also, guys, links gonna be down in the description, guys. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. So if y'all watch me and you subscribe yet, where are we upon? Subscribe right now. Tell a friend, tell an ex-boyfriend to come subscribe to my channel. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna put the earphone, not the phone, and go and let me really talk to our boo, which I ain't really talking to him, guys. And him not even know about the prank right now. So it wouldn't make sense if I have the earphone out and something and then shoot the ear. Nobody talk on the phone. So I'm gonna put it in there and go and like say me talk to him or something and thing like that. So but I know she not play about her look out, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're gonna hurt her look at so come, we're gonna set up the camera in the room right now. As you can see, nobody not in here. I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere and break her look at so make we do that. Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Hey, are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna FaceTime, well, yeah, video call Jeffrey and talk to him and something, but she's not gonna know yet if me and talking about when she find out on the channel. I'm gonna make sure I go hard, like me not even a hold back. But that's a rush out, so I saw me a go out. Anyways, yeah, guys, so we're gonna do that right. Kinda thirsty. Let it go, let it go. I don't wanna take you back at it. I said I'm and yeah, okay.
And then I'm gonna eat egg on bread. So basically that's the last of the bread until you get back to the bread.
So what am I gonna eat?
And I'm gonna
Where am I gonna go? Hold on there, baby. So that eh? Wait there. Yeah, I'm gonna eat from morning, so no, I'm a big sister. And big sister asked me I can eat. Yeah.
if you don't have macaroni in your phone,
We don't want no macaroni.
what's macaroni in the door there?
one and it never take. We soon talk to you. Me and talk to you. We soon talk to you. Yeah?
Is yeah? You don't see no cup for the
Yeah,
tea?
talk on it phone and all.
Are you serious? How do you not see any cups in the kitchen? Okay.
Yeah. We say, last night we didn't watch no Shawna J. And what did I tell them? We drop asleep. No, my sister and Amy, we drop asleep.
Your phone ever dry?
No. Kim, when you talk to your boyfriend, I say nothing, you know, when we FaceTime.
I'm just saying. How would I
No, we just try to keep us a secret.
Wait, now talk to me now, girl.
Me and talk. What you say?
Now I have to cook something for breakfast.
Where you are cool? Well, I know, Jay. Me tired to sleep. Yeah, me just try to keep us a secret.
Where you keep us a secret from?
Jeffrey, me tired, Vicky.
Hey, girl.
What?
No, that's not funny anymore.
Why you talk? Me I talk to you.
You want tuna?
No, I'm not eating tuna. Jeffrey. Yeah.
This must be a joke, right? I think I'm going to pay you 2 cents a mile. I swear to God.
Yes, sir.
Because then I'm going to earn quick. So when do you come look for me?
Yeah, we can't have one son.
Angel!
When we have a son, we're going to name
Are you
him.
good?
We're going to call him a full name, Jeffrey Jordan.
Shawna.
Jeffrey, stop that! Shut up. Yeah, you alright?
Just here?
Hold on there. Wait there, Jeffrey. I'm sure.
No, I'm
I'm sure I'm have one.
Me not put it now.
I'm my Jeffrey, me a talk to.
Where you find Jeffrey from?
You know, ask me who else me know than Jeffrey. I'm say my Jeffrey girl. Let me stop. Post him at the phone drop. Sorry there, Jeffrey. Sorry. Hold on. Not here. Girl, I'm my Jeffrey. Me a talk. Stop 1 second. Yeah.
You know something? You're on too much. Let me see.
Stop!
Let me see.
What on the Jeffrey McCartney back? Why you being so? Can you have me egg on the phone? Kim, why you going so far? No, you don't know Jeffrey. Sure. It's not your Jeffrey, Kim. It's my
Let me
Jeffrey.
see who you talk to.
Come.
Let me see who you talk to.
Kim, stop show off. Stop show up your colors. Yeah. That's why I don't want to meet you. Sure. Look. Yeah. This picture. You get that picture there? You want my next sexy picture? Hold on. Kim, take one picture for me. Hold on the J. Kim, come take the picture I'm saying go get Jeffrey now. Kim. You can't hear me? Oh, I'm going back to your earphone. Kim, where you going? Stop show off, girl. Stop show up your colors. That's why I don't want to meet you in a real life. All them days there. Kim, come on, take a picture. Kim, take the picture. I'm saying, go get Jordan now.
Give me phone.
No, you have to.
Beautiful.
It's alright. Hello? Yeah. Your dog on there? Hold on. Shit over there, so I'll say maybe we can do 1 3 so and then come. You want? No. Send one picture, Eva. Abs and everything. Hold on. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Kim, what is the problem? Hold on, Jeffrey. What is the problem, Kim?
Who are you FaceTiming?
My Jeffrey, Kim. If you stop doing something there, you want to know Jeffrey?
Say I have Jeffrey on
So
today.
that's why I know I meet you because of them behavior there. If you stop it.
Matter of fact, if I never met this Jeffrey where I talk to, how the hell does this Jeffrey know how me be here?
Because I always a FaceTime and you always a behave saying at the back.
When?
Since I've, let me just start you.
Shawna,
What
who are you talking to? Who you talking to?
Jamie, I talk to Kim.
Which part you find Jay?
A, B, C, D, E.
Ah!
Oh my God, Jesus, we're going to call
When you ever have Jay? You never ever have man or because you have Jay. Move!
Kim! What on the J?
Let me see who you talk to.
Ow!
Let me see who you talk to.
Lola!
Let me see who you talk
Kim,
to.
stop here, dog! Stop no girl! But that's a FaceTime, Jeffrey. In those call, I want to see how me I do. I'm just tell him how me I do. You know, I feel sure.
Show him body.
When Jeffrey ever wants to. Thank you.
Kim, put on your
Hey!
When Jeffrey ever wants to.
Yeah, take your sister, man.
Angel, come out of this. It's not him alone named Jeffrey. Him did a try call and can't get it, so me just answer my phone and we have FaceTime. What problem for girl? You must learn to share sometime.
Alright, what? Shawna, go on home. You need to go.
So what you ask kick me off of Kim?
You need to leave and don't come back.
Kim, stop.
Just go on.
If boy call and can't get through to you, I just answer send him 2 pictures.
Why the hell would you be sending him 2 pictures? You don't even have pictures of me in that phone. So who you sending 2 pictures of?
So suppose you want 2 nice pictures, I can't
2
help
nice
you.
pictures of who?
I can't help you.
Help me. Help me do what?
Kim, you have to learn to spice it up the relationship. Him say he want 2 nice pictures, and I don't look how me said, Kim, look. Kim, I just said so.
I swear I never know you say so.
Take a picture and send it, Kim. Yeah, take a picture now. Oh, me stay. But that's a help out the relationship, Kim. You could have just say no want to help, you know, that's all you have to say.
Don't Shawna.
Never know if you say you stay bad.
Don't Shawna.
Kim, where you get all
Don't
emotional
Shawna.
for Kim? You better we keep it close
You
in
know
the
what? Have
family.
him. Have Jeffrey.
Let me not have him already. I like me and him been doing this for a month now.
What?
1 month now we are idle. We can't keep it a secret no more. I'm sorry. I'm tired for I be the 3rd wheel. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I can't wait now. So you give me?
I know you want to.
Mommy, I tell life, look at them and tell me I lie. No, him not even an answer. Jeffrey? Yeah, I'm finally tell her. She accepted it. She okay with it. Yeah, she okay with it. We can't have a polygamy relationship. Kim, I do up, Kim, I do up.